Hi, I'm Curt Frye. In this movie, I would like to show you how to format labels within cells, specifically how to change the alignment of a cell's contents. We'll do left, right, and center, but we'll also do top, bottom, and middle. The sample file I'm using, Align, is an Excel workbook that you can download from the link that I provide in the video description below. I want to focus on the labels that I have in cells C3 and then also C4 and D4. We'll start with the revenue label in C3. Currently it is centered, and that's where a lot of labels go. However, I could also left align it, or I could right align it. I'm doing that using the buttons on the Home tab of the ribbon and in the alignment group. So currently revenue is set to right align, and I'll click center because that's where that type of value usually goes. However, if we go back to the alignment group, we see above left, center, and right that there are three other buttons, and those are bottom, middle, and top. So not only can I move this value left, right, and center within cell C3, I can move it up or down to top, middle, or bottom alignment. It's currently in the bottom position. That button is highlighted. So I'll click middle, and we see now that revenue has moved up a little bit, and there's more white space here between it and category. So I think that makes it easier to read. We can see what it would look like to move the revenue label to the top of the cell by clicking the top align button. And to me, that doesn't look quite as good. So I'll go back to middle. We can also change category and sales. Currently, because they're text values, they are left aligned. I'll select the cells here and I could center. That looks pretty good, although category and revenue run into each other a little bit, even though revenue is middle aligned. So let's see what right alignment looks like. That's actually not too bad for this particular set of labels and data. So I'll click away, and revenue, category, and sales are pretty good. Let's see what revenue looks like if I make it left aligned. So I'll click there, and I'll click down, and yeah, to me that's not exactly what I'm looking for. So I will move revenue back to center, and I think this is the set of alignments that I will stay with. So again, you have more options than left, right, and center when you align data within a cell. You can also move the contents of the cell, especially labels, to the top, the middle, or the bottom. I hope you enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, please like the video and subscribe to my channel.